So principles of UDL can really be woven into all aspects of teaching. And for example, we can think about how UDL might be applicable to assessments. If we know that there's a particular learning objective or a takeaway for a particular topic that the student should be familiar with, we might say, well, this is the learning objective, and then they might have multiple options of expressing their understanding of that. So if we create an assignment, for example, perhaps there could be different options for the students. One example that I used in my teaching is I want my students to give a presentation. I want them to give a presentation to demonstrate their understanding of a topic and also to get experience giving an academic presentation. So I design a mock conference for the class, and the students decide, do they want to give an oral presentation or do they want to give a poster presentation? Both of these options are equally academically rigorous, but they challenge the students in different ways. So students can then choose the option that they feel they're most comfortable with, or that they feel perhaps that challenges them the most. And so there's some flexibility there with respect to how the students express themselves. Another example that I think is really helpful is using more learning technologies in our teaching. So for example, if we have a course website, if we use a learning management system, we can post content relevant to the course there for the students to access. For example, we can post outlines or organizers or handouts in advance of a particular class. Students then have the option, if they want, and if it's important for them, to even access some of that content before the relevant class in order to get themselves organized for the note-taking process.